Nima sharna sharavo Ishari dojani
Convoy disengage for please and report when you do.
First view of Trans.
It's full. Do you see the reading here?
Ready, sir? Priya, as travel writers, we've come to Ladakh so many times. You know?
We're not at all new to it.
What do you think is different about this trip?
I think this journey that has been curated by Wander Beyond Boundaries to Zanskar and beyond has really showcased a different side of Ladakh that we've never seen before. It's taken us to such remote places and unveiled such a fantastic landscape and people and culture to us that it's always a learning process, and I think that's really exciting.
Right from day one of the Zanskar and Beyond drive, we've been exploring high altitude passes, mountain roads, tight turns, switchbacks, and most importantly, we've been visiting these local villages and communities that have given us a much better understanding of how life is in remote areas like this.
पहले से काफ़ी बेटर रोड है और गाड़ियाँ भी बेटर कंडीशन में हैं, तो वैसे ही आगे देखते हैं क्या होता है।
The other thing about Wander Beyond Boundaries trips are that they choose some really offbeat paths.
Take Kargil to Dras.
Exactly.
By road, if you do it, it's just 1.5 hours. But we spent a day doing it, through that pass. Nobody does it through that route,
Absolutely. I think we were the only ones for miles and miles and hours actually.
Acceleration, keep at it. There you go. Woohoo to Whiskey One! Superb, superb.
What a superb view at Umbala. It's a lovely drive. I'm glad Sati and Nidhi discovered this.
Is just spectacular. It's a machine versus the mountains, and it's amazing harmony between the two.
When Nidhi explained that you're going to reach the top, it felt like you're reaching the top of the world where you can't see anything beyond.
There's a song, most of you've probably heard about it. It's called Stairway to Heaven. This was a highway to heaven.
Umbala top is just mind-blowing.
Each turn you take shows you something new, a different perspective, some new wildflowers, another peak which is covered with snow, and of course, Tiger Hill. Our boys have done it! Yes!
things to keep in mind on today's road. A, there are some dramatic ascents and some dramatic descents. So watch out for those instructions. We will keep 4x4 engaged once we hit the off-road section.
One of the toughest drives and toughest climbs that I've ever done.
Multiple, I mean, I've lost count. I mean, dozens of hairpin bends and switchbacks, as they call it.
As we climbed, I could feel the car running out of breath.
You've got to keep going, you've got to keep gunning the engine, coaxing it into power, getting all the power out of your vehicle. The last 1 hour has been splendid, and the view of the snow-capped mountains was phenomenal.
I just feel on top of the world right now.
We did this together, all of us. I didn't feel like somebody was leading, and we did everything pretty much every day in terms of taking care of our vehicles to ending the day with sharing how all of us shared what we liked about the day. That really, I think, made us closer, in fact.
Your driving was awesome, Nidhi. Just added to the magic of it.
I would like to appreciate all those truck guys जिन्होंने बहुत sweetly reverse करके हमको pass दिया.
I also appreciate Milind and Jatin. I mean, lying at the back of the thing and taking those drone shots in the dust.
दोनों नहा लेना जरूर यार. That's one thing I want to say.
The veg pulao was very tasty. I finished my whole box.
He is the only guy who finished the whole box.
This bonding which existed, which is only because they had a system in place.
Hats off to them for organizing such well-researched, wonderful trips full of challenge on driving as well as a good mix of culture.
The C8 Tsar has done brilliantly for the last couple of days. Just what I needed. Grip has been fantastic. Not one skate until now. What more do I want from a tire?
We've done highways, we've done off-roading, we've done bad roads, country roads, rocks, pebbles, crossed streams, etc. ये टायर कहीं हल्का नहीं पड़ा.
It's been a good ride so far, and it's going to be a great one ahead. So look forward to the experience, and I would recommend it to anyone doing off-roading.